Dear students, welcome to this class factorization 3. You have already two type of factorization, one by splitting the midterm and another class by using the expressions a plus b whole squared, a minus b whole squared and a squared minus b squared. Here we have new type of the algebraic expression, that is binomial expression of the type a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. Okay, let us see. You know that a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3ab into a plus b cube. So we want the formula or factors of a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube. Transfer this 3ab into a plus b to this side, then you will get 3ab minus 3ab plus a plus b. So a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Now in these two, here a plus b whole cube is there, here a plus b is there. So a plus b is the HCF of these two, a plus b whole cube and a plus b. Take a plus b common outside. So then here a plus b whole cube, a plus b is common. So therefore a plus b whole squared remains, minus here a plus b is taken outside. So therefore 3ab remains. So therefore a plus b into a plus b whole squared minus 3ab. Now you know that a plus expansion of a plus b whole squared. So that is a plus b into a plus b whole squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared minus 3ab. So here a squared plus 2ab minus 3ab, you will get a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared. So therefore a plus b a squared minus ab plus b squared. Therefore a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared. Therefore a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared. So now let us solve one problem. 125x cube plus 64y cube. Now this is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So now express this in the form of a cube plus b cube. Then 125 x cube can be written as 5x whole cube. 64y cube can be written as 4y whole cube. So therefore a equal to 5x, b equal to 4y. So now apply the formula. So a cube plus b cube, put a equal to 5x, b equal to 4y. So here it is a is red, b is light blue. So apply for that place. A cube 5x whole cube, b cube 4y whole cube, a 5x, b 4y, a 5x whole square, b 5x, a 5x, b 4y, b 4y whole square. Therefore 125x cube plus 64y cube equal to 5x plus 4y, 5x plus 4y 25x squared minus 5 into 4 20xy plus 4y whole squared means 16y squared. Okay, so now let us move on to the next formula. Now let us move on to the next formula. A minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3ab into a minus b minus b cube. We want a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b whole cube. Transfer this to the side. Then plus 3ab into a minus b. So now a minus b, here a minus b, a minus b, a minus b, a minus b common, take a minus b outside, then a minus b whole square remains in this plus 3ab remains. So a minus b whole square plus 3ab, expand a minus b whole square, then you will get a minus b into a expand a minus b whole square. You know that a minus b whole square equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, a squared plus 2ab, sorry, minus 2ab plus b squared plus 3ab. Here plus 3ab minus 2ab, you will get plus ab. So therefore a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. So therefore a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. A cube plus b cube equal to a plus b, a squared minus ab plus b squared. Here a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Let us solve one problem on this. Consider the problem 8x cube minus 343y cube. Here cube root of 8 is 2, cube root of 343 is 7. Therefore this can be written as a cube minus b cube in the form where a equal to 2x, b equal to 7y. Therefore this is written as 2x whole cube minus 7y whole cube. So now apply the formula. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Here put a equal to 2x and b equal to 7y. A equal to 2x, b equal to 7y, 2x whole cube minus 7y whole cube equal to 2x minus 7y, 2x squared plus 2x plus 7y whole squared. So now therefore 8x cube minus 343y cube equal to 2x minus 7y into 2x whole squared means 4x squared plus 2 into 7 into 14xy plus 7y whole squared is 49y squared. Therefore 8x cube plus 343y cube equal to 2x minus 7y into 4x squared plus 14xy plus 49y squared. So now I will give some problems on this. Solve yourself. 1000L whole cube plus 216m whole cube. Here think yourself, this is a, this is b, so therefore m squared whole cube, n squared whole cube. Think yourself, x cube minus 1 by x whole cube. Solve carefully. What is a, what is b, and substitute carefully, then you will get clearly the answer. M by n whole cube equal minus n by m whole cube. So these are the 4 problems on this. So try to solve this and send answer for my mobile number. Thank you, one and all.